A very good morning to all of you. As Mr. Pandey said that I am the first minister to be here, all I want to say is our government is very keen when we have set the benchmark of $5 trillion economy to be by 2024-25. The role of every industry is important, and I am pleased to be here on your annual survey for the 2018-19 for the direct selling industry to be released today. I understand that the direct selling has been growing at a steady pace, and the industry is providing an opportunity to millions of Indians who wish to embark on their entrepreneurial journey. The direct selling industry contributes to India's growth and also creates jobs across the nation. It is commendable that this industry engages around 6 million people involved as either distributors or direct sellers, and I have been told that this number could grow to 20 million by 2024, by 2025. The fact that around 25% of the direct sellers are from the age group of 18 to 45 years is a testament that this industry has been given self-employment opportunity to our young generation. While in one of the slides which showcase the number of women being involved in this industry, if I look at the stage, here is 25% representation on the dais. But actually if you look at the direct selling industry, the woman has outnumbered the men. They are 75% and the men are just 25%. So it is heartening to hear that in this unique industry segment, the number of women sellers have increased from 2.7 million in the year 2016 and 17 to 2.85 million in the year 2018-19, which indicates that over 200 women have joined the industry every day during the past 2 years. This is a commendable achievement, and it aligns with our government's vision of encouraging and facilitating the role of women in India's growth story. An increasingly high number of women homemakers are joining this direct selling business, as this business gives them an opportunity to supplement their family income whilst ensuring there's the flexibility needed with their work. And I'm sure the target what you have set for yourself and for the industry to be among the top 10 players in the world is going to ensure a large number of women and young entrepreneurs and direct sellers to be engaged in the coming years. The direct selling industry can tie up with various schemes of the government like Startup India, Stand Up India, Skill India. The young people joining the direct selling industry can probably become future entrepreneurs and job creators with the help of various schemes of the government. Well, as far as the MSME sector is concerned, the direct selling industry is also contributing to the growth of MSME sector in the country. I understand that majority of the selling companies engage MSME operators for production of high quality products. I request to the direct selling industry to also focus on the small cottage industries, handicraft industries, artisans in the villages and small cities, and tie up with them. This can benefit both the direct sellers who can access widely available untapped industries and the small industries who have an avenue to contribute their resources towards making quality products. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी कई और इम्तिहान बाकी हैं। अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमी तुमने, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है।